one no about Ghana, about Ghana, so I watch sika man bida. I Ghana YouTube, I met Ghana na memre. Miti kroma memre. Aban bia memska. Jo mama ba cheska. Enye do mutumi che. Ene mu take away. Do mutumi che ene pan. Do mutumi che ni. Meba. Eba chere mo. Do mutumi che. Enu ma bi wo amom ye hu se de nkofo bi yare moa. Party we na mo. Ye wona kan wasem. Orofo me pa chanya de do mama ene ndi so mutimi cheni. Enti we nti na Ghana youth ye mre. Okada pragia. A government with policies. They will come and bring you pragia. Okada. What the kwaya adwuma wunya 1 million to waye. Eno no. Wunya 2 million to waye. Na wona obi na na twa na wo gene ho de. Accident na de pragia di ku obi no. Wo dwene wo kwa obi fa so wuye. Ba sika wunya na wo dwene ho. Sa pana do mama de ma kan yo fo no. Me pa cha ne enye omu take it. O de fese Ghana. Sa kan yo na wo ba mu she kwase apanyiri chimi a wo to se ye be de be bia ma do mama ba Ghana. Ghana must be face apoa. Do mama be president Ghana fese. Mo chimu on. Mo chimu on. O sa do be kan na o sere no e na mo be di natem. That is fair be kan mo di natem. Yesu odi mo ta me ma ne ye yani wo te Ghana wo bre. Enya kufa na ama me ma me bre. Me ma me bre firi me nkura brem. I know. It is a woman me abra aboa. Na so ma me bre nyina no. Ene wo wa be ni pa aboa kufa do MPP ba power. Ene wutimi express ho as somebody we call say be mu she. Kufa do ba power. Wo wutimi express ho say somebody we know say you are common sense family. Aboa NDC di jomama bo power na we. Ni cheni asere be mu she. Aboa furu. Se mo nya sa mu chimi na mo di chimi na. Mu ku otumfo ni mase. Kwase ampanyini wo. Di mi kasa ti asante. God say on respondo. Because say o say ya e be respondo a o MPP ni. Asante ni bia e coward. Some of them, not all of them. Some of our Ashantis, they are coward not to respond to you, a motherfucker. And you people got audacity to go to Ayimfie. Kade chefi fati we obekwa Ayimfie, no akobo ni mu ase. No Timochi, no ni mu chimi bom. What are you talking about? You claim to hate Ashantis, but you are living in Ashanti origin. Are you normal? You claim to hate the Otumfo, but you go to Otumfo Palace. Are you normal? You claim to love Domahiri, but you don't go to Domahiri Palace. Are you normal? Or you know our politics? Any Domahiri? Or no man so na me poni dia na ne de ba. Me poni dia na ne de ba. Na me pan so. Na watchi ya. Na bie jama. Ni be kan twi we de nya tawidi twi pa me fa ne ma ba mu shede mu. Enti me sramo. Me nua mu am 1 pp Ompaya ukona uko bompaya say nyame muana MPP form fa ba omiabra na no de omo ya we say ba omiabra president the NDC gu because that political trouble na chom they all know say ba omiabra president ya they know say their political trouble they are trying to do against MPP is always damage. Because the Baumia, you know, the Islam, you know, say MPP, they bring Islam as a leader to MPP. The MPP, I know, no, they change Islam youth, their life. They are not educated. And then, bonfo. And then, omuko school, obiko makalante we otimiko secondary school be ope Ghana. Otimi a prayer school be adi onye so betwa. Islam youth they have knowledge. Many what the classroom now no be free nzongo betra classroom. You have to know say this person who problem one only me as am tro obetwa. And so you school na nya support. NDC was in power. NDC couldn't help none of them. But they are polluting their mindset. They are polluting their, them to be love NDC like NDC is from North. And a day. And a Santa for party, and a North for party, one a catcher. Baumia, see how Otunfo received this man. Mother Traba, Samuel, and I'm going to say party needing. Then we said to me forward. Mr. Parker, which is about Bamushe. But catch him a rich crowd about or so be. But catch him a Parker crowd possible. Our Ghana net to sing. As soon as now to be president, one baby a diagro. A boss of ball, at the baby, I hope I will show you. I'm a now one it. When it is our Ghana, that banner Ghana, more the moon will be praying ground to a more Ghana. I'm with us left as a country. Now, some would see me face the country in freedom fight and I'm fighting. Much to me and Timothy Chabi Bibakokrana. The government today, now you are insulting to face Ghana. What to me, the Iba Ghana, I have a part of my page. And when I say, you guys know, your damage is already, your brain is already damaged. Your brains is already damaged. Margin, and I say, you are damaged, I say, margin. More damage, I say, margin. Damage, I say, margin. That band of my common page, so. I hope I will say, so come on, Namoha, Mr. Penny Pia, Diba Mushachi, our friend commercial family. We are Jimmy Fwapa. Number 2, you to be our new address of Bamushan at the tunnel. Woman, no papa, me and Quasia for. Because I will make Timon at the tunnel. Who be Piara, what Yabro Chile, or join the commercial from the freedom fighter. Or join the commercial CSF. Would you with Jimmy and Utu Quano? Menim, Yadoya Shane, what Timmy Quatraboche? One Timmy who know my papa war. And to me, son, answer our broche, and let Bamushan, I will send you Sikaman, I will join the CSF. We are Quasia. The attack will be a way a politician now join the CSF. Whoa, I say you free politician. What Jimmy Crass a boy, a friend of broche. Hear me? You can't say Uncle Ponu. Yes, no. Allah knew. Prophet Muhammad knew. I call a catcher on tea. What John Edinachi. Wo bi biara wo woji ba mu shedie esere kufuado wo so aboa